What's that? Why does it look like you, the wolf? I don't know.
Because I got a dog in me. He be going crazy. He beat all the goblins, so let's see.
Oh!
Hey, acrobatics.
Wow!
When did he get so loose?
I think he's even surprised. My body feels so light. He's even surprised about his body.
Bro, you could not run like this before, bro.
I'm not dying.
Ooh! That's those strength. Speaking of that, guys, remember what we said, strength or technique? The answers were 50-50. You guys are giving scenarios. Like, yeah, strength is better in this scenario, but technique is usually better in this. Hey. The people have spoken.
Ooh.
They said strength is better at magic. Yeah, it was like a 50-50 response. But yeah. It's obviously paying off.
I always think that ability and you trying to understand how to do it is better than just being strong.
Yeah.
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 Not always, but yeah. Boing, 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 boing.
Wow.
Bro, he's got a metal jaw, bro. Yeah. Aim for the eyes, bro. I love aim for the eyes. You have to, man.
I think more like stomach.
Yeah, I'm trying to think if he has any blind spots, and I don't see any. Maybe try hide, but there's not really anywhere to hide.
Hide,
like,
come on now. He has a nose. He's going to sense you. He's going to find you. Like he's an animal. What are we talking about?
Yeah.
So I don't think escape is the best thing to do.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. But let's get into it. 1-on-1. You're not gonna outrun it. What are we gonna do, bro?
No!
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He has to run.
Ooh.
Damn. But he can
Just
weave,
in time,
bro.
yeah? A weapon.
Inventory. Oh my
It's
god.
like a game.
What? A
sword? Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. This is literally
Voodoo.
Elden Ring. Like, these are the games that you play on the PS5. Or watching it in real life, and he's the player.
He's the player.
We're seeing it from the player's perspective. That's so cool, man. Where you can equip
crazy.
that, so you can equip the new clothes. You can equip. That's so cool.
Damn.
Wow. I wonder if there's anyone else that has
Can have this type of power.
Yeah.
I don't think he's the only one.
Of course. Look at his wound is healing.
Yeah. Like a game.
Oh. The whole family is coming.
Come on.
Come on, bro.
Come on.
All those strength stats.
Right in time. Boom.
Oh. Don't break it. Kick. Yes, sir.
I told you the stomach. I told you. Choose something else.
That boy going crazy. You guys are not scary.
He's going to get away.
Yeah. What is he gonna do now?
He's going to run.
Yo, why are you running, bro? Wow. He said we can't beat him. He's too strong. Wow. Good work, though.
You can do it. Ooh! Hello! He got the skills. Muscle memory. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, in a game it's always like that. Oh my god. Like with bare hands, he's doing it. But you survived the the god attack and you're not dying here.
Yeah.
Pissy, pissy, pissy.
一人じゃ無理だ。パティもヒーラーもいない。リュックには水と食料しか。
I'm pretty sure that there has to be something in the
Me too.
backpack, you know?
魔力の込められた
No
武
way
器
to
さ
say
え
it.
Yeah! Hey, hello! Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. See?
これが入ってるのかは謎だけど。ヒムさんが300万出して買ったって言ってた。
Leveled up!
俺には手の届かないアイテム。
Wow.
あれ、痛みが。
Oh.
That's the next level. No. Oh, he's getting harder and harder. Oh!
Ah.
Oh my god.
てかこいつら。
Animal abuse.
あいつらに比べたらなんてことないじゃん。
Yeah, they're nothing compared to what he went through.
Yeah, he got scared.
He's like, bye bye. Not for me.
That jump. That one-handed.
Yeah,
Oh,
backspring.
Man,
Caught himself upside
imagine
down.
if he buffed his agility.
I can do that.
Let's see what that strength's got.
Fury of blows. One punch.
Smack!
Dude, it's steaming. It's smoky. Quit punching its metal jaw.
Kick him in the balls.
The kidney, the liver. Kick it in the throat.
Grab a blade from a goblin.
Punch his nose.
Grab a goblin blade.
Goblin blades. Dogs don't like being punched in the nose. Or bladed.
Does anything? Name someone that likes to get punched in the nose.
Wait! Open inventory!
Yeah. Did you know this? You had a sword? This whole time?
Yeah, it's Aspen. Yeah, he cut his head into half.
I remember him saying he paid $3 million for it. Way outside my budget, that's for
Leveled
sure.
up.
But since I have it, I should use it.
He's steaming.
He healed.
Yeah.
Healed.
Oh, now there are two of
You
them.
got one sword, you're fine.
Scary.
Yeah.
Too many of them.
Uh-oh. He swung a little too hard.
Rock it back and forth. Don't just try to pull it straight out.
Steel jaw.
Called Steel Fangs for a reason. But I just got this sword.
Kick it! In the side, yes!
Something else.
Oh,
Oh, damn.
golly! You think it's dead? Make a headdress out of that.
Maybe.
It's kind of cute. Ooh, nice. Wow. That's that agility.
いつまで押し気づいてるつもりだ。死んでたまるか。
Ah, there you go. His fist is steaming.
まだ俺より強い。
Oh, it's just like punching its steel jaw. Oh,
どうすりゃいいんだよ。
that's when you need to increase your intelligence. Right?
一人じゃ無理だ。
Yes, you can.
このままじゃ。
Ow.
魔力の込められた武器さえあれば。武器。インベントリー。
What? Does he have one in there? No way. This is sick.
どうしてこれが入ってるのかは謎だけど。ヒムさんがそんな
How did it get in there?
と言ってたっけ。俺には手の届かないアイテム。
How did he get it? This is. Oh,
武器があれば。
there's more.
行くわけない。
Yes. Uh oh.
あれ。抜けない。抜けろ。
Excalibur! I know! Oh, what? Oh gosh. What a call out. She wants something else.
あいつらに比べたらなんてことないじゃん。
Uh-oh. Scared of him or something coming down the hall? What is this scared of?
He's kind of cute. How you doing,
That's a
little guy? Whoa.
Tyler had rabies. Oh, he got moved.
He got 0
Oh,
gravity.
he has been, you know, exercising more and stuff. He's been putting all his attribute points into strength.
Right. Oh,
Oh my
shit.
God.
You punch it? Oh my god!
Animal dog.
He's like, I eat those for breakfast. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't expect him to be punching him.
Yeah, he just started.
But I've been wondering what kind of weapon he's gonna get, but I guess he has 2 right here.
He's gonna take off the jaw and wear it for himself.
Oh god. What are you gonna fucked up?
He gotta put on some non-jeans, man. Those are constricting.
Oh. Yeah, for real. Oh,
Need
alright.
to get some joggers.
Nice.
Oh no, poor dog.
That's one way to do it, Jesus.
Leveled up.
Woo! Oh, I guess I forgot. It heals him. Like, he does have a healer.
Oh, great. They all have like different metal jaws.
Uh-oh.
Jesus Christ,
Oh,
did anything
yeah.
ever just go nice for him?
Oh, god damn. Oh! Ouch.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
Aww.
Yeah.
He's like,
Aw.
I'm a well scared.
Okay, now time to tame him. Maybe.
He's running away.
Oh.
Thank you guys for watching with us, by the way.
Whoa.
Damn!
Dude. Wow.
What the hell? He put all his stats into strength. How is he so agile?
Oh.
Okay, there's the strength for you. Damn, that... Yeah, that didn't kill the wolf.
He's just gonna 1,000 punch his ass.
He has to find a weakness, probably, or...
His jaw. Rip its eyes out!
He could just call inventory. Oh, fucking A, dude. That is so sick.
Wait, why did you think about that?
How did...
He had a weapon this whole time?
He just... Yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Dude! Oh shit! I love that, actually. Confidence already. Run away.
Oh!
Coward!
Come on, Jinwoo. Do your thing. Show us how you leveled up. Oh, that was a good dodge, though. That was fast.
Look at him.
Yeah, he's like doing
Okay.
backflips.
Whoa.
Oh, look at you. Body feels so light. Yeah, there you go. Figure it out.
Man, he's about to knock this guy, this
dog out?
Mm-hmm, with one punch.
Yo!
He's like, was that me?
Dude! My
Wow.
goodness, he's strong. Oh, this thing is still stronger than him.
Oh.
Oh, dang.
Hey, but
His
you
attacks
can,
aren't working. Uh-oh, this thing is getting close.
And dodge.
All right, come on, Jinwoo. He's gonna try to run out. Ah.
Yeah, he's solo.
Dang.
Okay.
Oh, what is he grabbing?
A sword?
Oh, he has a sword in his inventory. Okay.
Nice. Oh.
Yo, nice.
Oh, so he doesn't even know how that sword got
In there. You have defeated a Steel Fang, leveled up. He leveled up right there. Oh, he healed.
Wait, this thing is still. Oh, there's
2 more.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh my gosh.
But you leveled up though, so hopefully.
There we go.
Oh no. The other one, the other dog. Watch out there.
Chew on something else. Oh, ew.
Jinwoo.
Oh, that's a lot of blood. He's not afraid of these things.
Oh, it's running away.
Oh. So I don't want to mess with.
Let's go, Jinwoo. Punch it. Yes, bro. Oh! Dude. Yikes. Okay. Is this entire episode gonna be him fighting this wolf? Bro, if you could just say that and spawn things, that is OP. Bro! He could just pull swords out of that thing? Holy shit! What? Just heal? Oh. You got this! This is my kind of luck. Now swing, bro! Oh! Ooh. Damn. That was deserving! Oh, the little whimper.
Steel Fang Lichen. Zero gravity.
I can do that.
Well, he's just
all right.
He's gotten stronger. He poured all the skills
Video
into
game
strength.
physics.
I won't let you take this from me. I won't die.
Oh.
Did increasing my strength stat make that much of a difference?
Huge.
Seems like it.
My attacks aren't working.
Oh.
How am I supposed to win?
Dude, I love this show.
Great show. Fabulous show.
I've seen it before one time, but like first of all, the voice actor for Jinwoo, I think he's fantastic.
Have we seen him in anything else?
He was Zenitsu in the Demon Slayer.
Oh shit. Oh.
He has a lot of range.
That yeah, that is some range.
And just wait, this series, it's gonna blow your mind. He's so good.
Fabulous.
I think if I had to say what my favorite / best voice actors in any anime we've watched, it would be, I would say up there, and in no particular order, Light from Death Note. I think it's just
He's
iconic.
so good.
I think Jinwoo from Solo Leveling, Levi from Attack on Titan. So those 3, and then I'm trying to think of others. Any that spring to mind for you?
Azula's voice actress.
Yes.
We've seen her in everything.
Yes, Grey Griffin.
Grey
She's
Griffin.
a legend. And then getting on a little tangent here just for a second, but I'm trying to think. Chris Sabat, Christopher Sabat, I think his name is, which is All Might.
Yeah.
We'll think of more, but like, any that spring to mind to you?
I think I would want to see a list of what the voice actors had done in addition to.
Yes, I'm more thinking of your favorites / the best from all the shows we've watched.
But I have a hard time separating.
Just if anybody springs to mind, it doesn't have to be the best. It's just any that you're like, ooh, that one was really sticks out to me.
Honestly, Reiner.
Yeah, you know what?
He
Reiner
was phenomenal.
Great. Yeah.
And there was so, like...
He was also Stain in My Hero.
All right. Yeah,
That's a really good one.
I can't do this alone.
What's the alternative?
No party, no healer. I only packed water and food. I'm screwed. I should have brought some kind of magic weapon.
Can we feed the dog?
Open inventory!
No. Are you... Okay.
Pulled it from his inventory.
Success? Okay.
Oh, Mr. Kim, his sword.
I remember him saying he paid $3 million for it. Way
Oh,
outside
wow.
my budget, that's for sure. But since I have it, I should use it. Hey, the pain's fading.
Nice.
Now that I'm
Oh, there are more. Oh, perfect.
not scary. It's stuck.
Excalibur moment.
This is maybe symbolism, yeah.
Oh, this one's stronger.
But I just got this sword, so
Same one, but just different spot he tried to slice.
Oh, okay. Oh. Gross.
Yeah, he kept through it.
Let's go.
I should have brought some kind of magic
So
weapon.
agile.
Open inventory.
That's off.
You can't pause it.
But you don't have a time. Yeah, why was that not your first time?
That is cool. He drew it
Forgot all
from
about
there.
it.
That's crazy. Oh,
Damn.
wow. Didn't you just pierce?
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Wow.
You're not scary.
You're not scary.
Oh no. Oh shit.
Oh.
Do they get stronger?
Oh.
You want something else?
Oh.
Compared to those behemoths, mutts are nothing.
I mean, that's for sure.
Bro, he's not worried about it.
Damn.
You could tell.
I'm scared.
Grunting.
You want